Hello, everyone. It's a privilege to join today 16th International Conference on Interdisciplinary Research for Sustainable Development. I am Dr. RUHIAT Sultana, Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Lord's Institute of Engineering and Technology. So today I like to speak on the topic that touches each and everybody's is life on this planet. That is about sustainable development goal number 3, that is good health and well-being. So a world where every person, regardless of where they live, can be live healthy, safe and fulfilling life. So with this tagline, I like to speak some words about the sustainable development goals over here. Now, next, why I this sustainable development goal, that is health, matters today in this world. So health is not just a medical issue, it is foundation for everything. If we don't have a good health, we cannot do what we want to achieve, we cannot achieve our dreams also. So most important is to have a good health. So as we can say that children cannot learn, families cannot thrive, economic cannot grow, communities cannot progress. So this SDG 3 recognizes of well-being is the starting point for development. So as we say, if people are healthy, they can achieve their dreams. They can, if the dream is being achieved, that will help our society, and help the society, he will develop the nation. So this is what the health matters to us. So now what about the reality check over here? As you can see over here, in the pandemic era, that is which lasts not only more than 2 years of it, where we have lot of health problems that we have issued. So to avoid such of problems, from there we have lot of vaccination problem for the children, lot of malaria, tuberculosis cases have been increased, so compared with this pre-pandemic level. So the sustainable development goals made a bold commitment to end this pandemic, especially about tuberculosis, malaria, and communicable devices by 2030. So the aim of this is to achieve universal health coverage, which provides safe and affordable medicine and vaccine for all human life in this world. So now, how can we achieve, or how can we move towards this SDG 3? So this is the next point that we have to take care and present over here. So first and foremost important thing is strengthening the primary health care. So the community must, how can I strengthen it? We should have a emergency services, we should have a maternal care, vaccination must be available, medical centers should be available, consultation must be available over here. So the primary care saves whenever more lives than the advanced hospitals. So these are the basic necessity that is to be taken for the health. Now, how the technology bridges this gap of taking the care of health. So now we have many health, digital health, which acts as a game changer. We should have a telemedicines for the remote areas, early diagnosis by AI. We have the apps development for our health issues. We have wearable devices like smartwatches, where our lifestyle is being monitored, how much steps we have taken, what is our BP level, what is our heart rate, which helps the human to be healthy. So even the electronic records for continuity of care, that is wherever we are, we can get our records. So the tech meets healthcare air issues to be solved by having this type of innovation development. Right. So, how can we invest in this preventive health? So, what we can say over here is, instead of treating the illness, we should prevent and this illness. How can we prevent this type of illness? By having nutrition, regular exercises, early screening that is frequent, or not frequently, I can say at least we should have our medical tests to be done. Immunization should be taken place. Health awareness, health educations must be, programs should be organized, so that prevention is better than cure. So prevention is cheaper, smarter, and more sustainable over here. Now, how can we prioritize these health issues? Not only physical, the most important point now in this age is about mental stress, depression, and emotional well being. If we are not well, all these things will not be normalized. So, how can we normalize it? By having our conversations, we can solve this problem. So, mental health supports must be accessible, it should be available, it should be, I mean to say, it should be affordable, and it should be a stigma free, so that if a person is mentally strong, he can do lot of things. Now, in the personal reflection, I would like to speak about saying that the future of the community is by having our students, young innovators, and women entrepreneurs to take the shape in both awareness programs, even building the technologies which helps us to be safe. So when people feels healthy, both physically and mentally, they take care, the bold step, new ideas will be developed, which we will have a better society, or I can say a strong society. So good health is not just a state, it enables every dream to be accomplished. Now, how to call this to an action? So, SDG 3 has one simple commitment saying that value every human life equally. So, to look onto this work, what are the work it has done? That is, no mother dies giving birth. No child is denied a vaccine. No young person suffers when the mental challenges alone. No family because poor because of these financial burdens. So even the community should have the health, digital health revolution. So together we can build a healthier, safer, and more or good world. Now, so this sustainable development goal 3. So I like to say that we'll have to continuously work toward it, inspire, innovate, and uplift both good health, which is the foundation for the future of for all of us. Thank you everyone for giving me this opportunity to speak on this development goal 3, that is good health and well-being. Thank you.